Well, that's not good, guys. Our tire just went out. Our front right tire, 0% PSI. No. Go. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I was not ready for that. To look at these tires, if they're back, yeah. Oh yeah, there's no doubt about that. That is straight wire showing, guys. Oh, that's not safe whatsoever. The tires are totally in good condition. No, I didn't spill anything. I was just checking the tires and they're definitely gone. So that's what was so sketchy in the rainstorm. I'm 160 miles from home, and every towing company I'm calling right now is, you know, I mean, that's a long drive from, and it has to be a flatbed because you can't really just put on the spare tire. We're in the construction zone as well, which is not a good place to break down, man. Trucks are flying next to me, man. I feel bad for my wife in the car behind me, so I'm trying to find a record that could come out here and tow my car back there. I can hop in hers and go. I can't believe it, man. Maybe I shouldn't have done those pulls. I know I'll never hear the end of it, especially knowing what it was. But as soon as that tire pressure light came on, I mean, within like 10 seconds, by the time I found the menu to find the tire pressure, it was straight to 0. It was like 5 psi left, and I thought it was just not showing correctly, but then I heard the vibration just pop, and I knew I was screwed, man. Golly, this is not good. I don't know what to do, guys. I'll keep you updated. It's asking for, I'm trying to use Audi USA because supposedly I might have roadside assistance since it's pretty much a brand new car, but I don't know my location. There's no way to...
Please hold. You may hear a brief period of silence while I connect you to a representative.
Okay, good. That's gonna help. This sucks, guys. I have to be at work tomorrow.
Thanks for calling Audi Roadside Assistance. My name is Tina. Are you and your Audi in the safe and secure location?
Yes, ma'am. Yep, we pulled over on the side of the road.
And was you in an accident or?
No, just driving back from a home from a different city. So I'm about 160 miles away from my home, and my front right tire blew out.
Do you have a good spare tire that we can put on for you?
I don't. This car doesn't come with a spare. So if there's a way we could tow it to I work at a dealership, so if we could tow it there or to my house or something, I can definitely put something on tomorrow and figure it out. So to put into a shorter definition, so I've been getting quotes from friends and things like that from people that I know that are from Asheville. They're charging about $600-700 to come get me because it's about 160 miles away. I understand, I get that. So I figured I'll call Audi. Roman, thank you so much for that. He's an Audi previous Audi owner, and he told me to give him a call, and I'm glad I did because, well, they said for 260 bucks they could tow me there. So that's a way better deal than $600-700. And I'll just get it towed there. I have tires on the way so that they can install those, no problem. We'll figure it out, but gosh, it's like 11 o'clock at night and we still got 3 hours ahead of us. Let's go take a look at that tire real quick. This is not a good spot to be at. This is crazy. This tire is like, yeah, I shredded that. Look at that. I just drove it all around. I hope I didn't dent the wheel. Yeah, it kind of looks like that little bit of rubber on there on the tire saved the wheel itself, but yeah, there's just nothing left of that tire. That's insane, man. All right, so I'm working on a theory. My theory is I think that tire was going flat way before we actually left that shop. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to pump it up. I actually have a pump. I didn't even know I had one here. Now I'm gonna try to pump up the tire and see if that does anything, if it's actually holding air or not. If it is and it's slowly deflating, then maybe I could get away with driving a little bit, but I don't know until we try it. So wish me luck, guys. Well, that was a waste. I didn't do anything at all. So I don't know what else to try, guys. I'm waiting for Roadside, but nobody's coming, nobody texting. It's been about 20 minutes now. So I feel like calling Audi again. There is this little tire mobility kit that they put in here as well. I just don't know if I want to pour this inside my wheel and mess up the sensors and all, but supposedly it's supposed to do the trick. I just don't know. So we got an update, guys. Looks like a tow truck is on the way. Estimated time is 60 minutes. So now we're just sitting and waiting for the next 60 minutes. And of course my wife is a lifesaver, but that sucks, man. 160 miles from home, 2.5 hours, and just nothing we can do about it. No spare tire, nothing. That sucks. Hopefully it gets here quicker than 60 minutes. This is gonna be a long night. Okay.
Where are you? You're at the Rockwood exit.
So I'm right before the exit going towards Knoxville. I'm in the construction zone. I'm like pulled in between the cones.
It says I'm an hour and 2 minutes away from it.
All right, brother. Sounds good.
Alrighty, have a good night. I'll see you shortly.
Sounds good. Thanks, man. Bye. So he's an hour away. At least he knows what he's doing. Sounds like a cool guy. So now we're just sit and wait. I almost feel like leaving the keys here and just going. Ain't nobody gonna drive that thing and can't make it far anyways. You can put it on the rollback and I'll meet him out there at the dealership. Man, I don't know. As long as you don't care. I don't care. Somebody take the car, please. Get it off my hands. So here's the game plan. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna lock up the car. I'm gonna turn everything off. I'm gonna think I'm gonna roll it like literally right past this little barrier, whatever it's called, those cones. I'm gonna block it off so nobody you know, hits it or side swipes it. But I'm just gonna turn off the car, turn off the hazard lights. I'm gonna leave the key. I don't recommend doing this, guys, but I have a 7-month-old in the car and my wife as well. I gotta get him home. It's gonna be another hour before he gets here, so I'm just gonna kind of block it off as much as I can. I'm just gonna put him right there. All right, let's see if I could jump in here real quick. I'm gonna move the car slowly so I don't end up damaging my wheel. I'm just gonna kind of roll it over here behind this cone. God, you can feel I hope I'm not damaging the wheel. I don't think I am. I want to leave it like right there by the cone. I'm gonna turn off all these lights, hazards, park, grab my energy drink. I don't think anything's gonna happen, guys, but I'm gonna block off some of this even more. Man, what a Friday night, dude. That's how you make memories, though, I guess. I think that works. I mean, clearly it's blocked off. So somebody hits those cones before they hit the car. Oh, what a fun day, man. What a freaking fun day. I'm gonna leave the key so you guys see. Gonna leave it right here on top of the wheel. I don't think anybody's gonna see it there. And we're gonna head out. I'm gonna meet him at the towing yard, or actually at my dealership when he drops it off. It is 4:30 in the morning and the car is finally here at the dealership where I work at. Car's here, finally made it. We're gonna assess the damage tomorrow, guys. Hopefully I didn't curb the wheels because those are expensive, but part of the game, you gotta pay to play, I guess. So here we are. All right, guys, so it's been 5 long days waiting on them tires and they finally came in. I got my buddy Ryan putting them on right now. So I just wanna show you the damage. This kind of sucks, man, but I was really playing with some luck right here. Check this out. I mean, you can't really see much on this one, but as you can tell, the interior parts completely wore out on this tire. You should see the front left, like it's horrible. It's horrible to put it. I mean, it literally exploded, and you can actually see it on there. So the cool thing is like on Audis, it actually has this plastic piece that pops out where you put the lift under, so you don't scrape. And same on this side as well. Like it's actually pretty genius. They thought of everything on these cars. Like, look at this. This piece just comes out real quick, and then you put the lift on here, mounting point. Then after, of course, you click it on, and you're good. Tires wise, brake wise, I mean, we're honestly still good. I mean, it's only got 12,000 miles, so we should be fine here. I love the design of the rotors, guys. That looks so sick, but of course it costs like $2,000 for a new set, so I'm not looking forward to it. We definitely got to get this washed, but let me show you what's going on with the tires as well. All right, Ron, you got to give me some good news, but hey, thanks again for taking care of me, man. But are they going to work? I mean, this is the 275s that we took off. 295s, oh, that's a big difference.
Yeah, I think the sidewall is going to feel a lot better on those wheels.
You think so?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it seems like it's just more softer.
Yeah.
These are the Pirellis, right?
Yeah.
P0, so...
it's going to give it a better stance.
Wait, what is that, dude? Is that padding in the freaking tire? Yeah. What? Yeah. It's actually glued on there. Yeah. I have never seen that before.
Never seen it either.
That makes no sense. Oh, yeah. The damage, man. We destroyed that tire. Golly. Yeah. That completely tore off, man. So we're doing 295s, 25s, and then 21-inch all around. So I mean, we're putting some fat tires. I hope it fits. It should be good on the wheel. Ryan's definitely hooking me up. We don't have damage or anything like that, so we didn't really curb them or do anything bad on them. I think that's for me, so not a big deal. But we definitely saved the wheels, which are like $2,500 a pop. So. Yeah. I trust him, he knows what he's doing. Yeah. Once we put him on, man, we're gonna give you a ride, bro. See what you think of the reaction. Absolutely. But I'm super pumped, man. Next time a shop tells you that it's not really recommended to drive anymore on those tires, don't do it. Just don't do it, man. Listen to him, buy a set. Don't try driving 300 miles back home to do it yourself. So we're gonna let him do the work and everything. We'll check back on him in a little bit. Oh boy, she's looking so much better. Look at the fat tire, guys. 295s all the way around. So according to Ryan, though, you said what? The 3 wheels are bent?
Yeah, he's got 3 of them that are bent. Had to
sick.
put those on the rear so that way you're not going down the road too much.
That's crazy. But how did they bend, though? Like, what do you think caused it, man, honestly?
You know, with as low as profile as these tires, you may have just gone down the interstate, you know, getting some bumps. That might have been just big enough to...
A speed bump would do it, you think, if you really hit a speed bump on
You
these?
hit it fast enough, yeah.
Yeah,
More
fantastic.
stuff like that.
Dude, look at this, man. That is gorgeous. God, it's gonna pop, guys. I don't know who in their right mind puts 275s from factory on a car like this, but 295s all the way around, guys. That is the way to do it. I am so pumped, man. We're about to get it on the road, test it, see how it spins or doesn't spin, because in about an hour and a half, I'm gonna be at the drag strip. So I'm super pumped, guys. Let's get this on the road. All right, guys. Finally get the chance to ride this thing, man. Oh, dude, this feels a lot more like of a softer ride, man. I don't know if it's just me or... Yo, we're about to launch it. Yeah.
A lot of traffic.
She wants to go. Oh my God.
Now you just gotta break these tires.
Oh, dude, it won't take long. I know they're probably slippery right now, right? Yeah. They have all that grease on it.
Yeah. So you gotta kind of get the road to kind of
do its thing.
Things in.
Oh man, dude, I can't stop smiling. Yeah, look at that. Even cuts me off at 5,000. The red line is right now till it warms up the motor. So I forgot about that. So we won't be able to do anything for a second anyways. But as soon as we get back over there, it should be fine.
We'll work on your tire light here when we get back too. So
yeah, I ain't too worried. It looks like 36 is when it goes green. So yeah, it should be fine. Okay, y'all ready?
Yeah.
And go. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it does not want to turn. What was that? These tires are so soft. Jesus.
They sound good.
It does, man. Yeah. Oh, I got a little sketchy, but I couldn't keep that lane.
Wow.
Okay. I'm gonna get in the left lane.
Oh, wow, man.
Holy crap, bro. Jesus. Dude.
Oh, this definitely I think feels different versus the GTR though.
I'm here.
This got some kick.
Crap my pants on that one, bro. Dude, when you have to control the steering wheel and then Audi, man, that's a problem.
And you have wider tires.
I know, that's true.
Yeah.
All right, let's do like a 40, bro. I'm gonna mash it. Dude, all right. This this ain't no joke no more, man. 45, 35.
Yeah.
Jeez, dude. Dude, that sucker shifts so much better now. Wow. Bro, this is crazy. I want to enjoy it, but I'm freaking out, man. This is the first time, like, after, like, when it blew a tire, I didn't get a chance to really, get on it. So I'm enjoying it the first time with you guys, bro. So this is insane.
Yeah. You have to let me know how the times are.
Fudge me, bro. Dude. How do you feel in the back, bro?
Oh, it felt good.
Yeah, it sucked you in, huh? Dude, this is so different now. These tires are gonna do so much work. Ryan, bro, thanks again. I know you guys gotta bounce, so check that out. That is so fat, man. We just gotta make sure that these weigh out evenly, so we'll probably have to tire rotate like very often, but man, you can see the rocks are straight sticking on them, dude. This is gonna be insane. The only thing that worries me, of course, is that, like, within the first 100 miles, it's gonna be on the drag strip, so hopefully they hook, but it's 295s. They're so much wider now. Oh my God, man. I'm so excited, guys. We're literally, like, within the hour heading to the drag strip. That's gonna be the next video. Thank you guys for sticking around with me through the hard times, through the pain in the butt moments like we had. We're 200 miles away from home and we broke down, but it all comes down to a great ending, guys, and I'm telling you, next video is gonna be insane. If you love what you're seeing, drop a like, drop a comment, drop a subscription, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for sticking around. Enjoy your cars, enjoy your friends, and I will see you next time. Peace.